Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today is very special recipe for kids, mini pizza with homemade pizza sauce. These are perfect for kids back to school snack and also lunchbox idea. First we'll prepare pizza sauce. I'm taking 4 medium-sized tomatoes for the sauce. Make X cut at the bottom of the tomatoes and remove the eye part. Add the tomatoes and 4 to 5 red chillies into the boiling water and boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Take it out and peel the skin. Add peeled tomatoes and red chillies into the grinder and grind it coarse paste. Heat oil and add finely chopped garlic. Saute for a couple of minutes. Add very finely chopped half onion and cook until the raw smell is gone. Then add grinded tomato paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then finally add just a pinch of salt and cook until it thickens. Let's make the pizza dough. I'm adding quarter cup of warm milk, 1 teaspoon dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a bowl. Mix it well and keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes. In another bowl, shift 2 cups of all-purpose flour and add quarter cup of melted butter and crumble it. Add yeast mixture and salted water as required and knead well with your hands. It should be very soft dough. Apply some oil and cover the dough with cling wrap or damp cloth. Keep it aside in a warm place for 1 hour for good fermentation. Meanwhile, we'll prepare pizza filling. Take a pan and heat the oil, then add 250 grams of chicken. Cut it into small pieces. Saute for a minute. half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of paprika or red chilli powder, and mix it. Cook for 5 minutes, then take it out. In the same pan, add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. Saute for a minute. Then green and red capsicum, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook, it should be little crunchy texture. Finally, add fried chicken pieces and mix together, and our chicken fillet is ready. It's time for make the pizza. Take the dough, it's almost double in size, punch it down and knead it for 2 more minutes. Divide the dough into 8 small balls and place it on greased tray. Again, cover with a damp cloth for 5 minutes. Now, preheat the oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius. Flat the dough with help of this glass flat bottom, or you can use your hand. Prick this dough for 5 to 6 times with a fork. It will not allow the pizza puffed up. Let's put our favorite topping. First, put the pizza sauce on the dough and spread it all over the top. Add some shredded mozzarella cheese on it. Then add our chicken filling. Then assemble all the veggies, sliced onions, green capsicum, red capsicum, and black olives. If you want, you can add some dried oregano and basil leaves. Again, add cheese, grease little butter on the edges. Put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Our soft and cheesy pizza is ready. These delicious pizzas not only just snack, but also these little bites are perfect for parties and occasions. I hope you'd like it. Please do try these pizzas and let me know your lovely feedback. If you like it, please subscribe Shafa's Healthy Kitchen and press the bell icon for more new updates. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.